Hello, my name is Naswa Kaila Putri, and my student number is 070111821260.
Hello, my name is Fazria Kusmawati. My student number is 07011282126. Today we will have a conversation about Impressionism.
Do you know what Impressionism is?
Yes, it was an art movement that began in 1874.
Why was it started?
While some artists were not satisfied with the academic art establishment of their time,
So, what did they do?
they organized their own exhibition to show their paintings.
Interesting. What was special about their style?
Even though their styles were different, they shared the idea of capturing a moment and preserving it on canvas.
I see. Did technology play a role in this movement?
Yes, definitely. They used new tools like special blurs that gave more control.
Oh, and I think I read about the collapsible into curtain. What's the important?
Very important. Covered up to walk outdoors easily.
That must have been a big change compared to the old method using animal weathers, right?
Exactly. The thin tube was much better and more vertical.
What about colors? Did they have new colors at that time?
Yes, chemists created bright colors like new shade of blue, green, and yellow.
And those colors gave the painting a special shimmering effect did they?
Correct. That shimmering quality became a characteristic of Impressionism art.
Do you think Impressionism was successful?
Yes, indeed, one of the most important movements in art history.
So even though people reject them at first, they change art forever.
Exactly. Their belief in capturing the moment created an aesthetic revolution.
I like how they value the beauty of simple moments in life.
Me too. That's why Impressionist paintings still inspire people today.
Which Impressionism artist do you like the most?
I like Claude Monet because his painting of water lilies are very beautiful.
Oh yes, Monet is amazing. His colors always look fresh and alive.
True, that's the power of Impressionism, capturing life with light and color.
Well, I think we have discussed Impressionism clearly.
Yes, that is our conversation. Thank you for listening.